Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin just arrived and I am going to open it up and show you what is inside. First of all, the box is super cute. And this is something that they told us we were going to be getting, a little bottle of glitter glue. How fun is that? That's never been in a box before. Our color this month, Real Red. And let's see what our sentiments are. We've got Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, celebrate wonder and joy of this festive season. Celebrate the wonder and joy of this festive season. All right, we've got some snowflakes, a couple trees, some little dots, and a really adorable little house. So let's take a look at the cards. Look at this, it's like a fun little Christmas village. Super cute, lots of little dimension. Look at those envelopes. All right, let's get in there. Okay. We've got a big pack of dimensionals, and look at these little die cuts. So these are going to be layering pieces, so your little village kind of has some dimension. Several different layers there. These envelopes are adorable. Pretty little wreaths. All right, there's two different card bases. So there's like a horizontal card and a vertical card, a landscape and a horizontal. And that's the background, and then you're going to layer some of these different houses with some dimensionals to make them pop. So fun. All right, let's see what else we're being told. Oh, even more. Some die cut trees, some with little stars on top. This is probably for your sentiment. A couple different sizes there. Oh, something feels glittery. Ooh, some glitter paper, glimmer paper. That's probably going to be a layering piece. And some glue dots. Yes, some glue dots. So these are really fun. So you've got different layers. Yes, that's what I thought. That sentiment's going to go on there, and then behind it is going to be that glimmery piece of paper. And then I bet the glitter glue kind of goes on your trees, maybe some snowfall, or along the edges of the homes. That's my guess. Let's take a look. Yeah, so they're saying add glitter glue along the rooftops, and maybe you can even add some in your trees. I think they're saying doing it on the rooftops, but you know, I can put it wherever I want, right? I'm going to put it on the trees. It's really pretty sparkly Christmas cards. Here you go. Now, I learned something. I learned that in the online store, starting on actually a couple days ago, you can buy card bases that kind of look like this. They're not quite, I thought maybe they'd show a picture of them in the kit, but they're not in here, and they're for Paper Pumpkin subscribers if you want to get some add-ons. It's an add-on pack of just card bases and envelopes, and they look similar to this. I don't think it's this exact card base, but it's got a similar feel to it. So if you really have fun with this, you can use your glitter glue on here too, and on that card pack that you can get. It's an add-on only for Paper Pumpkin subscribers. I am a subscriber, so I can get that, and I did order a pack, and it's just not here yet, so I can't show it to you. It's supposed to arrive not until Monday. So anyway, but it's a fun little pack, and it's like 20 cards for $14 or something like that, less than $1 a card, with an envelope. Really cute, and they look similar to this, and you can imagine that you can use the stamps from here to just add a sentiment. You can, if you know, you could stamp a house and cut it out. You maybe, if you have leftover trees, probably you'll use them all on here though. Or you can use stamps that you already own at home. Maybe you've got some fun Christmas images or a tree or something that you can put on here. And I don't know if it has the houses. I wish I Anyway, you can go to the online store. I'll put a link. I'll put a link in the description of the video so you can see what the card pack looks like. I bet it's going to sell fast because literally it's less than $1 a card. It comes in a pack of 20 and you get cards and envelopes, and they're really great. And I ordered a couple packs, so I'm sure a lot of people have been ordering a couple packs. So they're going to be great for your Christmas cards. So these are great to add. I think these by themselves, I'm going to do these just as they suggest. Sometimes I switch things up, but I actually really like how these look just as suggested. I think those popped out houses are really fun. So you're not going to use your your image of a house because you're going to use these die cuts. But then if you want to take it further, you can put a little house inside. You can put a house on your envelope or make some more cards with that card pack that I was telling you about. So I hope you like the paper pumpkin. It's a really fun one. I love that it comes with glitter glue. If you missed out on this subscription and wish you got one, I always buy extra. So I might have one left for you if you contact me quickly. I bet this one will sell out fast. And then next month, they said that the kit for next month is going to kind of relate to this. It's got a similar look to it, but it's going to be boxes, little boxes that you can maybe, they said they'd be food safe. So if you're a cookie baker, I bet that would be great for that. I am a cookie baker and I love giving cookies at the holiday time. So next month is all about treat packaging and I love that. So that's next month and it's going to have this look to it. So it's kind of, you got an idea, and it said that you can even use the glitter glue on next month's as well. So if you would like to subscribe, I'm going to put a link in the description for how you can subscribe on a month-to-month basis, and that way you never miss a kit. If you don't want to do that just yet, you're not quite sure, like I said, I have extra kits. Or you can even do what's called a 1-month subscription or a 3-month, where you just prepay for one time. And that way you don't have to worry about it. You want to just try it. You want to get the treat packaging because Christmas is coming and you're a treat maker, a baker, maybe you make gingerbread. Anyway, you can do that. So there's a 1-month subscription, 3, 6, and 12 months. Or you can do the month-to-month where you just pay as you go, cancel at any time. And again, if you missed out on this one, because I bet this one's going to sell out, let me know and I will see if I still have one. Another thing that subscribers get to do is sometimes they have add-ons, like I was talking about that card pack. You have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber to get the card pack or the add-ons. And also refills. And refills are really fun because it doesn't include things like the stamp or the ink spot. It's just the basic parts, so it's less expensive, but you still have what you need to put it together, so you can always get refills, and sometimes those refills sell out fast too. So being a Paper Pumpkin subscriber comes with a lot of perks. So if you want to try that out, you can do it and you can cancel at any time. I'll put links in the description. Thanks for watching.